Hello students, today in this class of Society Law and Ethics, we learned some important definition about open source software. So our first definition is OSS and FLOSS. So OSS refers to open source software, which refers to software whose source code is available to customers and it can be modified and redistributed without any limitations. It means that particular software source code is available, any user can customize it and redistribute it without any limitations. And OSS may come free of cost or with the payment of nominal charges that its developer may charge in the name of development or support of software. So generally OSS comes in free of cost or very nominal charges. Our next is FLOSS, refers to free, libre and open source software or free live open source software. The term FLOSS is used to refer software which is both free software as well as open source software. Here the word libre stands for a Spanish word. It means freedom. So software open source fully free available as well as its open source software also fully available. Our next definition is GNU. So GNU refers to GNU not Unix. So GNU not Unix means GNU project emphasis on freedom. The GNU project was initiated by Richard M. Stallman with an objective to create an operating system. With the time, GNU project expanded and now it is not limited to only an operating system. Now it refers wide range of software including application apart from operating system. And our next definition is FSF. So FSF refers to Free Software Foundation. So FSF is a non-profit organization created for the purpose of supporting free software movement. Richard Stallman founded SFF in 1985 to support GNU project and GNU licenses. Nowadays, it also works on legal and structural issue for the free software community. Our next definition is OSI. OSI stands for Open Source Initiative. It is an organization dedicated to cause of promoting open source software. Bruce Perens and Eric Raymond were the founder of the OSI that was founded in February 1998. OSI specifies the criteria for open source software and properly define the term and specification of open source software. Open source does not just mean access to the source code. The distribution terms of open source software must comply with the open source software. And our next definition is freeware. The term freeware is generally used for software which is available free of cost and which allow copying and further distribution but not modification. So they does not allow the modification, but all the software is available free and they can distribute further but cannot make modification and whose source code is not available. Freeware should not be mistaken for open source software or free software. Freeware is distributed in binary form without any licensing fee, in some instance for private or non-commercial purpose. One example of this is Microsoft Internet Explorer. It is a free software, user can download it and can distribute it. So today in this class we learned some important definition like OSS, what is FLOSS, GNU, FSF, OSI and freeware.